made a video the other day about how you could adjust brightness and focus through the camera app. And someone asked me in the comments, how can you make it so your default camera, what do you call it, defaults to, let's say, your attached USB camera instead of your laptop camera? So unfortunately, on quite a few websites, they mentioned how you could go into, what do you call it, control panel over here, control panel, and then select view devices and printers, and then right click on set this as default on Windows 10. Maybe this was true on Windows 7, but not for Windows 10, I don't believe. So you can see over here, a Microsoft moderator also gave the same advice, which was incorrect. There is no, I guess in general, maybe this is for Windows 10 regular. Maybe Windows 10 Pro has the option. I'm not sure, but it doesn't show up for me. So unfortunately, I believe you're going to have to set your default device per application. So let's say you have Zoom open. You'll have to go into Zoom and set the default USB webcam and so forth. On the camera app, though, if I type in camera, so let me go type in camera. The nice thing is, I think it'll remember which device you're using. So I have two devices, and to switch between the different USB cameras is just on the very top right. There's a little icon that's similar to phones where you can switch between the front and the rear camera. And you can see I can switch between the different cameras. And so on the camera app, for me, when I close it and then I open it up again, so let's say it was on this camera, and I type in camera again, it loads the last camera I used. So let's switch it to this one. And I'll go use camera again. And you can see it loads that one. So again, it doesn't seem that there's a way to set the default device. And a lot of people need both cameras open, sort of enabled. So that's a real problem. You're going to have to set your devices per, what do you call it, per application. So Zoom, camera app, and so forth. Of course, if you only need to use one camera, you can always disable the camera. And that's for another time.